Hello everybody, today is January 13th, 2016. Thanks for joining me today on the Moneybag 73 channel. Well, today as we're heading through Red Hills, California here, I have two important articles that I want to bring to your attention. I'm going to post them on Moneybags World and there will be links below in the more info section. First, coming out of the Royal Bank of Scotland, sell everything. Global Bank warns investors of coming financial crisis. Western stocks will fall by 20%. Oil will trade at $16 a barrel. Emerging markets will crumble as China assumes the role of Lehman Brothers in the not so eagerly awaited sequel to the 2008 financial crisis. That preview of the next 12 months is brought to you by the Royal Bank of Scotland. Sell everything except for high-quality bonds. Like those aren't in a huge bubble as well. RBS credit chief Andrew Roberts writes in a note to investors that reads like the voiceover in a trailer of a finance-themed horror film. This is about return of capital, not return on capital. In a crowded hall, exit doors are small. Roberts said that all the red flags the bank has been monitoring, collapsing oil prices, volatility in China, rising debt, deflation, weak corporate loans, have made their presence felt in the very first week of the trading. The FTSE's already down 5%, its worst start since 2000, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average has never opened a year this poorly. So there'll be a link below. You can finish reading this article here. One other article as we cruise through Red Hills here. Beware the great 2016 financial crisis, warns leading city pessimist. Albert Edwards joins RBS in warning of a new crash, saying oil price plunge and deflation from emerging markets will overwhelm the central banks, the paper nothing printers, and tip the markets and collapse the Eurozone. The City of London's most vocal bear has warned that the world is heading for a financial crisis as severe as the crash of 2008-2009 that could prompt the collapse of the Eurozone. Albert Edwards said the West was about to be hit by a wave of deflation from emerging market economies and the central banks were unaware of the disaster about to hit them. Well, I don't know about that. They created the whole damn thing. His comments came as analysts at Royal Bank of Scotland urged investors to stay calm and sell everything ahead of the imminent stock market crash. So there you go. Two important articles that I wanted to bring to your attention. I've been having tons of ideas running through my mind. You know, it was maybe 5 months ago, weeks would go by, and I just felt I didn't have anything to contribute. Things have really heated up. You can see now what the central banks and their currency creation has done now. As bubbles are popping all over the place, you can see this. We even just recently had the former Fed president saying they front-loaded the market. I mean, that's where a lot of the money went. They created this money. Their idea was to create a wealth effect, and that's what the Federal Reserve does. I'm going to have to come up with this other video here, hopefully tonight. I'm going to do another important video on the Federal Reserve and have a little surprise at the end of that video. So I'm going to try and do that tonight. If not, look for that. I have another important video that I'm going to do. So that's it for now, everybody. Take care. Talk to you all soon.